A top government panel has now suggested that the second COVID wave in India could peak this week. By 7th of May, the same panel, the National COVID-19 Supermodel Committee, had even warned the government in April itself about, in fact, the first week of April itself, the government was warned about a second wave of COVID-19 to hit India at the earliest. Sneha Murdani reports.
There will be a second wave in India and that is expected soon, had warned the Committee on COVID-19 Supermodel on the 2nd of April itself, raising questions on whether this was paid any heed to. Scientists who made this prediction, however, say that they did not expect the second wave to be so ferocious.
Somewhat optimistic estimates for the peak, which have since proven to be incorrect. We thought the second wave would peak out at around between 1 to 1.2 lakhs at the daily maximum. As it turned out, the disease became far more contagious during the month of April. So with the result that the daily case peaks kept climbing and climbing and climbing, and now we are at around 4 lakhs.
This comes at a time when the country is witnessing a critical situation with a rapidly increasing case burden, sending hundreds to hospitals and morgues. The three-member National COVID-19 Supermodel Committee was formed by the central government to make projections about the spatial and temporal spread of the pandemic. They suggest that different states are peaking at different times, but the nationwide peak is expected as early as the 7th of May.
The pandemic basically started in the state of Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is already in a decline. You will see that. Now other states started peaking a little bit later because the pandemic traveled across the country. So they will peak perhaps not next week, but the week after that. To summarize all of that in one single number, if you take the nationwide total cases, we anticipate a peak by the end of next week.
Also adding that a natural outcome would be a decline in cases start May 7th. Epidemiologists say that credible mathematical projections are necessary to understand and charter the course of the pandemic and tweak the responses around the projections and the predictions. It is clear that this particular panel did tell the government of India that a second wave is expected. What did the government really do about it? Did the government look into these suggestions? And what were the preparations then made to handle this monster raging second wave? The question is yet to be answered. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani for India Today.
On that note, I'm going to wrap this bulletin right here. For more news and updates, do log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download our app for more. Stay tuned. News and updates coming up next.